This is another example in the series of how to set up Ansys HFSS simulation using the powerful PyAedt feature. In this example, I have created an environment based on Python and Qt to create shapes programmatically. In this environment, I have created a few design examples. A design contains components. In the examples shown, I need at least a PCB and an antenna-based structure. For HFSS, I also need a port description component. Components are editable objects. There are also components like balun, drill holes, or connectors. For the spiral antennas, I have different parameters. Most continuously variable parameters are changed by sliders. Once editing is done, go to the EM tab. You can change parameters or go directly to the Ansys HFSS interface. If you launch, all instructions to set up a substrate with your antenna are sent to HFSS. That includes radiation boundaries, sweeps, and anything else that you program. Let's add a Smith chart and a radiation diagram. After a simulation in HFSS, you can retrieve the simulation data into your environment. You could store parameters and results in a database or automatic created documentations. There is no limit as long as you can program it in Python. Already present in EasyAnts is automatic creation of PDF documentation, files for PCB production, and integration into your mechanical CAD environment.